Alright guys, so here we have a 2014 Jeep Liberty. We have a blender door that's making noise. Let's see if I can make it reenact that noise.
Waiting for connection.
There you see, you can see that? And now it's all the way inside here where there's no room to get to two screws that it has. So I went ahead and we all been at Harbor Freight, so I went ahead and cut one of those. They come in a set of 7, I think. Starbits screwdrivers. I went ahead and cut it, made a T. This one has 2 screws, one in the front and one all the way in the back. See here, let me get you back here. You see that one right there, where the light's hitting? That's the fucking blend door right there. So what I'm doing here is using my little T that I made to get to the bolt on the bottom, on the back, and then on the front. It should still work the same way, but there's this freaking plastic there that is not is making my little T too big. So we'll see what we got to do. So let me go ahead and continue taking this screw off, and we'll go from there. You just go all the way to the back, and it's on top. So, or else you will have to take off the whole dashboard. I don't want to take off the whole dashboard. I'd rather sacrifice a screwdriver than having to take off the whole dashboard off this vehicle. So, just gotta have patience, and it'll come out. It's already loose. I already took it off, but it's tight to take it off just with your fingertips. So, then of course your fingers are gonna get cramped. Because why wouldn't they, right? Sorry about the noise in the back. It's windy here in Texas. Okay, I can barely get it right with my fingertips, but man, it's tight. Cramps on my hands. Okay, so I went ahead and took off one screw. In the back. These are the type right here, those screws. You can see there. So let's continue here. Sorry for the meeting for blocking you, but it's in a freaking difficult place where it's just too tight. Now this front one here, it's already loose. Only has 2 screws. See if I can do my other hand here. And this one is a T20. And see, that's the way it's supposed to. That's the way it looks. You see my T right there. See the T? Let me see here. Right there. So slowly but surely I'm gonna have to keep on turning it, and hopefully it comes out. I just gotta loosen it up so I can take it off with my fingertips, but they're tight. Oh, let me go get a magnet. On a tool back magnet. Looks kind of loose already. Can't put our baby ratchet in there because it doesn't fit. The quarter ratchet doesn't fit. Okay. Just needed to loosen up just a little bit. Be right back. Let me go modify this to you a little more. Alright, I went ahead and make the little arms smaller. See if this helps. I'm gonna have to do it with my right hand because it's just weird here. Get in there. Just made it a little bit harder having these little smaller arms on this tool. Now it's a little harder, but we have to get it. I don't want to take off the whole dashboard. know if you can see where it is, but it's right here. It's almost out. It's just a little, man. Here it is. Oh yeah, boy. Fingers. Well, here we have it. We have the screw. Took it out. With the little T. Little homemade T. And here it is. This is the one that's making problem or noise, hopefully. Sounded like.
Waiting for connection.
Oh, it's making noise, now it's not.
Waiting for connection.
We're gonna open it up and see if it's broken. It was making noise, so. I'm opening these things here. One of the gears breaks. Let me get a different screwdriver. Alright, so let's take a look here. And here it is. I don't know if you're able to see it, but right here, it's missing one. You can see it on there. Right here, it's missing one.
Waiting for connection. Waiting for connection.
See, that's what you hear. It catches a bad spot.
Waiting for connection.
This is the problem right here. I already saw the inside, so it's broken. So I'm gonna replace this. Ah, motherfucker. Okay, so we need one of these. Okay, back at this 2010 Jeep Liberty. We have the new actuator. This one here, we got it from O'Reilly's. We're gonna put it back on, same way we took it off. Of course, we're gonna be using that little tool that we made. So let's go ahead and plug it back in. Turn it off. Okay, so it's off now. Let's put it back on. Okay. It can go somewhere there. Goes over like this. Okay. Could probably check it without this, and I'll just plug it back in later. Okay. Okay. Oh fuck. Okay.
Waiting for connection.
Oh shit. I have to plug it in. This will move. Okay.
Waiting for connection.
Alright, let's see. It's active, so. Okay. So, I have a hard time. Let me go ahead and install it and we'll go from there. Okay. You can see there now, it's not making no noise. You can see the door actuating and opening. There you go. So that's a fix. Thank you for watching. Hopefully this helps you out. You don't have to take up the whole dashboard out. Just make your tools, or just like I did, T20. You gotta sacrifice something to make your job a lot easier. I'm not gonna say way easier, it's just a lot easier than taking off the whole dashboard. Once again, thanks.